thankful to all the 3 lakh voters of South Chennai because I am opening this office for those 3 lakh and also non-voters who did not vote for me also. Because I am used to the social service and I am there in the political field for more than 25 years. I have been a political leader, state president and governor and national secretary, and all these posts I have held, and I have been working for the people welfare of Tamil Nadu people for more than 25 years. I felt very sad when the opponent BJP candidate, this DMK candidate who won, she has told, I jumped into this constituency. I have been so it itself indicates that she is not aware of the political situation, neither in South Chennai nor in Tamil Nadu. You would have seen every day I am visible. So I want to tell that we want to serve the people. I contested only to serve the people, and during my campaign I noted large number of problems in the areas, whether it is dumping yard, whether it is drainage problem, so that whoever to be informed, whether it is a councillor to be informed or MLA to be informed or MP to be informed or government should be informed, we will be with the people of South Chennai. So my service to the people of whole Tamil Nadu as well as people of South Chennai will continue, and I want the MP to act, because now it's going to rain. Last time during the floods, they did not help the people. They think only giving monetary fund is enough. Moral support is more needed. So we are there to support the people. So this is the office to help the people of South Chennai. I felt very sad when I saw that, and it's a very, very disheartening to see such an animal has been harassed. And this is not the way to oppose. If you want to oppose face to face, not in the Facebook, and not by depicting such atrocious activities. So I strongly condemn that, and I want to tell even Stalin, even their Facebook users, they are criticizing me also in a different way, and I want to tell them, you want to oppose face to face, not in the Facebook, in a very dishonored manner. Please control your Facebook users, Twitter users. That is one of my appeal. We are there for cultured politics, not other way. And I am happy that our Honorable Prime Minister is going to be the Prime Minister for the 3rd time, and even tremendous increase in the vote share of South Chennai, and even all the people, all various sections of the sectors have voted for me, and I will serve them and continue to serve them. I strongly support her because she has told, because I was also watching, it was ups and down, it was very narrow margin, and she herself told that collector was under pressure. So immediately the recounting is it is justifiable, and it can be done, and I support her because that type of atrocities were present in most of the constituencies, I should say.